It's a nice neighborhood. It's a nice neighborhood. Neighborhood. When did you move here? 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 Okay. Years ago. Okay. It's changed a lot. It's changed a lot. It's changed a lot. Mm-hmm. But in a good way. In a good way. It's changed a lot, but in a good way. It's changed a lot. But in a good way. Mm-hmm. Well, nice to meet you. I'm going to get another drink. I'm going to get another drink. Okay, now I am Tim. You are Zeke. Are you okay? Are you ready? I'm Tim. You are Zeke. I'm going to repeat all Tim's. Okay, and you are going to repeat all Zeke. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Yes.
Hi, I don't think I know you. My name is Tim.
Nice to meet you.
I don't think I want everybody to repeat together. Focus on me, okay?
Yes.
Let's focus on the conversations, okay? Ready? I'm gonna start again. 1, 2, go. I don't think I know you. My name is Tim.
Nice to meet you. My name is Ziggy.
So, how do you know Sam?
Well, we were workers.
Well,
We were workers at the restaurant. We work at.
Ça, c'est une question. Il faut donner le ton de la question. C'est how about you? How about you? How about you? Okay, that's good. Okay. That's my turn now, right? That's my turn. Okay. Oh, I am Sam's neighbor. I live next door. I'm Sam's neighbor. I live next door. Your turn.
I see. When did you move here?
Years ago. It's changed a lot, but it's in a good way.
Well, nice to meet you. I'm going to get another drink.
Okay, so now I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna be Zeke. You're gonna be Tim. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Your turn. Your turn.
I don't think I know you. My name is Tim.
Nice to meet you. My name is Zeke.
So how do you know? How do you know Sam?
How do you know Sam? Well, we were co-workers at the restaurant we work at. How about you?
Oh, I am Sam. I live next door.
Yes, I see. It's a nice neighborhood. When did you move here?
Years ago. It's changed a lot, but in a good way.
But in a
way.
good way, yes. Well, nice to meet you. I am going to get another drink. Okay, so you know what we're gonna be doing right now? I want everybody to repeat together.
Yes.
Okay, let's repeat together now. The conversation together, and after we're gonna talk about the questions. Okay? Okay, let's go. I don't think I know you. 1, 2. Let's go.
I don't think I know you. My name is Steve. Nice to meet you. My name is Steve. So, how do you know?
How do you know Sam?
Well, we were workers at the restaurant. We work at. How about you?
How about you?
Oh, I'm Sam's neighbor. I live next door.
Yes.
I see. It's a nice
Neighborhood.
neighborhood. When did you move here? Years ago. It changed
It's changed a lot.
It changed a lot. But
In a good way, yes.
well, nice to meet you. I'm going to get another drink.
Good job. Okay, good job. So, I don't think I know you. C'est une phrase qu'on dit souvent, comme si vous faites une introduction, pas vrai? C'est comme si moi pas, je ne sais pas, ou bien je pas penser que me rencontré déjà. C'est pas vrai, mais pas penser que me rencontré déjà. I don't think I know you. Ok? Ok? Je ne pense pas avoir te rencontré. Pas vrai? Ça m'a dit monsieur, I don't think I know you. Répétez votre phrase à moi. I don't think I know you. Allez moi, I don't think I know you.
I don't think I know you.
Ok. Nice to meet you. Bah, on fait rencontrer un monde qui soit dit nice to meet you. What does that mean, nice to meet you, class? Enchanté. Pas vrai? Nice to meet you. Enchanté. Ok? Alright. Est-ce que nous avons dans ça là, nous par connaître que nous avons parler de lui? Parlez avec. Do you have some words in the conversation you don't understand?
You know they would.
Which one? Where? I mean, nice to meet you. You know that, right? Which one? So, how do you know Sam? C'est ça? Nous comprenons ça? How do you know Sam? Do you understand that?
Yes.
Ça veut dire, how do you know Sam?
Comment on fait connaître ça?
Je ne pas penser que je rencontre. How do you know Sam?
Comment faire connaître ça?
Comment on fait pour connaître ça?
Comment ou fait connaître Sam? How do you know Sam? Okay, what does that mean to know? On allait. Verbe to know là signifie connaître. Bah oui, monsieur. Ok? On allait. Le verbe to know, ma prendre si temps pour me expliquer nous ça. Le verbe to know signifie connaître. En français, you can dire connaître bien ça, savoir. Bah oui, I know you, I don't know you. I know you signifie qui ça? Moi connais. I don't know you signifie? Et si m'a dit au monde est-ce que vous connaissez? Do you know me? Et si m'a dit est-ce que vous connaissez Monsieur Danger? Do you know Mr. Danger? Ok. Do you know Mr. Danger? Est-ce que vous connaissez Karen? So dire, do you know Karen? Ok. Do you know? I mean, ok. Ok. All right. Ok, monsieur. On allait. Le verbe connaître, ça c'est connaître. Pas vrai? I don't think I know you. On allait. Qui l'autre mot nous pas connaît là encore? Après verbe to know, me dit verbe to know qui verbe lié? Savoir bien connaître. Si vous connaissez mon dit I know you. Si vous pas connaissez ça dit I don't know you. OK, si moi si on ça moi pas connaît lui.
Karen, why you skip the table I don't sign?
I already signed you.
Okay.
Yeah.
She knows your name. She knows you.
Yeah.
All
I
right.
have the video permission. Like, do you want to explain to them that we're putting these on the videos that they go on Facebook for people, or not on Facebook, on YouTube for people to learn?
Mm-hmm.
But this is just them saying they're okay with being in it, and if they're not, they're just going to need to sit like here or over there.
Ben nous disons un bagage. Je dis là, coup ça on a fait alors que lui permet à ce que l'autre monde l'autre côté tout apprendre. Et ça fait les n'a fait quoi prendre vidéo mon yo. Si quelqu'un qui va nous mettre sur YouTube, on monde qui sur YouTube la regarder nous, li apprendre même avec nous dans l'autre zone dans l'autre pays. D'accord? Qui c'est haïtien même avec nous, d'accord? Si nous d'accord pour nous vidéo pour nous dans vidéo nous ka si non là, dans fait ça qui sur qui n'a même non, ou dit ou d'accord, pas un problème sur YouTube, sans un problème pour participer. Si vous pas d'accord, on doit dire ou pas d'accord acheter dans l'autre coin pour vidéo va prendre mise à jour. So, laissons passer. So they say we have already agreed on that.
I know. So I have to have you write your name.
Mais
down.
problème qui gagne, li doit faire nous écrire non nous personnellement, c'est nous qui écrit la main nous qui dit nous balle droit et pas les connaît quoi livre. OK, faut qu'a dire oui ou bien non. Si on dit non tout m'a respecter choix tout. D'accord? All right. Ou bien l'acheter en côté pour pas well dans vidéo, pas de problème ça.
Yeah. I know that. You guys are already
Exact. Nous sommes femme tout ça, nous sommes famille. Tout côté, on va prendre à partir de classe nous là. L'autre on va prendre l'autre côté. Tout le monde connaît nous famille déjà. D'accord? Parce que début sur YouTube, ou bien sur YouTube. Tout le monde sur YouTube là. T'es qu'on sourire, t'es qu'on doit sur YouTube taper World Grace Project et pour avoir un cours ça me fait aujourd'hui. Vous comprenez? OK monsieur. Yes, comment on dit moi connais où? Comment on dit moi connais où? I know you. Comment on dit moi pas connais où? I don't know you. Est-ce que vous connaissez moi? Do you know me? Est-ce que vous connaissez lui? C'est son garçon. Son garçon. Do you know him? Do you know him? Et bah do you know he non? C'est do you know him? Vous songez monsieur? Bamba non tiré sur ça. C'est comme si c'est do you know me? On a les messieurs, écrit ça, songez ça avec. Do you know me? Do you know me? Si m'a dit est-ce qu'on connaît lui son fille? Do you know her? Do non, il y a plus de monde qui fait ça, oui. Yo dit do no she. Il va vrai? Parce que she c'est troisième personne singulier. Il faut faire la différence entre comment on dit ça? Les pronoms personnels sujets qui c'est subject pronoun. C'est pas vrai? Comment on dit pronom personnel sujet en anglais? Subject pronouns. Tu vois vrai? Et bien les pronoms complets, complément d'objet. Ils dit que le complément d'objet, on dit object pronouns. Bon rappeler moun qui fait venir. Ou bien moun qui était là déjà, dis pour yo. On allez, dis pour yo, moun qui était là déjà, subject non papa, c'est subject like devant. Subject pronouns et puis object pronouns. Monsieur, si me dit comme ça, I, pas vrai? Ça est subject pronoun yo. Deuxième nom, you. Et troisième nom, he. Il y a troisième personne, pas vrai? She et puis it. Il y a première personne du pluriel. Oui, deuxième personne du pluriel. You. Troisième personne du pluriel, c'est they. Et là, ça c'est me. Pas vrai? Talk to me. Et pas vrai? Et pas vrai? Ok, talk to you. Talk to him. Pas vrai, monsieur? Talk to her. Nous allons mettre it là, pas vrai? Talk to us, pas vrai? Talk to you, et puis talk to them. Est-ce que nous est? Pour anglais, les object pronouns c'est me, you, him, her, it, us, you, them. Même si on a parlé dans la phrase, m'a dit comme ça, moi connais lui. Ça m'a dit, moi connais lui. Comment tu as dit, moi connais lui? Moi connais lui. C'est son fille. Analyse. Ah, nous ouais bagay là. Ouais, c'est I, pas vrai? Know her.
I know her.
Pas vrai? I know her. Moi connais lui. C'est son fille. I know her. Pas vrai, monsieur? Si m'a dit moi connais lui son garçon. Hein? C'est son garçon. Ça m'a dit. I know him. Vous d'accord?
There are some words when I talk about
American?
yeah, sometimes they say them or them.
Them.
No, when you see the conversation, for example.
Okay.
Say them.
Ah, okay.
I don't
Are you talking about them when they say them? When they mad, they're not happy. They say
I can
damn.
spell it.
D-A-M-N.
Oh, okay.
Gosh, goddamn.
Yeah.
Woo. Right? Like, okay, but it's different than them. I know them.
Yeah.
Okay? C'est pas si moi connais yo. Ouais, ouais monsieur. Moi connais yo. I know.
Him.
Ouais, ça me dit là? Moi connais yo. I know them.
Yeah.
I know them. Kounya, est-ce qu'on connaît lui?
Do you know him?
Son garçon. Est-ce qu'on connaît lui? C'est do you know him?
Yeah.
D'accord? Est-ce qu'on connaît lui, c'est en fille? Do you know her? Est-ce qu'on connaît nous? Hein? Do you know us? Do you know us? Ouais, bagarre là? Do you know us? Do you know us? Vous connaissez nous? Vous connaissez nous? Ok? Si m'a dit yo connaît nous, ouais, n'a fait un petit jeu. Yo connaît nous.
They know
Un petit jeu.
Us.
Ok.
us.
They know us.
Et si un t-shirt m'a fait avec un verbe to know là, pas vrai? On allait. Si me dit they know us, pas vrai? They K-N-O-W et puis S. Ça veut dire they know us. Yo connaît nous. Moi connais lui. On m'a chaque monde différent pour moi c'est nous à l'aise. Monsieur fille, comment on dit moi connais lui? Lui ça son fille. Moi connais lui.
Do you
Pas question pour
yeah.
le nom d'où c'est question. Moi connais. Je connais. Je le connais. Je le connais. Monsieur, je le connais. I, premier c'est I. Deuxième nom, I know.
I don't know her.
I know her. Exact. C'est son fille. I know her. Bien, bravo. Moi après madame ça. Comment on dit? Moi connais lui, c'est un garçon. Lui ça son garçon.
I know him.
I know him. OK. Si m'a dit lundi Ben Chilov. Comment dit? Yo connais moi. Yo connais moi. Ben Chilov, yo connais moi. Yo ça. Qui peut passer la pour placer yo ça? They. Sujet, yo connais moi. Ça veut dire they know me. They know me. Vous d'accord, monsieur? They know me. Mais ça veut dire yo connais nous. They know us. Yo connais où? Bon pour le monde. Emmanuel, comment on dit yo connais où?
They, when
You.
Me.
Like you talk about me. You talk about me.
Okay.
Yeah, you wanna
They know
give.
me.
Yeah, you talk about me now.
Oh, okay.
You wanna tell me that they know me. How do you say that?
You know
Comment on dit ça?
They know you.
Yes. Deuxième personne, c'est they know you.
Yeah.
Yeah, oui. You connais où? Yeah, oui.
Yeah.
Li connaît li. On a les son fille. Li connaît li. Ah! Li connaît li. Son fille. Li connaît. Li connaît li. She knows her. Ah oui? She knows her.
Parfois, tu te prends des blagues, tu dis, you know me?
You know me. You know me. Est-ce que vous connaissez moi?
You know me?
You know me. C'est vrai? Mais il y a toujours ton question. Il a posé question, mettez d'où devant. C'est vrai? Le capable dit d'où. Ok. Bam font ti. Comment ça va faire pour nous? Pour nous caper à l'aise, mais ça va le faire. Je prends un verbe là.
Yeah.
Je mettre lui à la forme affirmative. Je mettre la forme négative. Après ça, je prends un verbe mettre la forme interrogative pour nous caper ça m'a dit. Est-ce que vous comprenez? Are you okay? With that, let's go. To know, si maintenant dans mon conjugué verbe to know pour moi, l'abdim I know. Deuxième personne ça l'abdim you know. Troisième nom he, she, it, la bonne knows. Et bien vrai monsieur. La bonne we know. Qui forme ça est là? C'est affirmative form. Ça c'est la forme affirmative. You know, c'est pas vrai? And they know. I know. Quand on met la forme négative, ça me dit I don't know. Parce qu'on met l'auxiliaire do, on met le mot not après l'auxiliaire pour former la négation. Est-ce que vous comprenez? Quand on ça veut dire, moi pas connais ça veut dire monsieur I don't know. Négative forme. Est-ce que vous êtes d'accord avec monsieur? I don't qui ça? I don't know. Et deuxième nom? You don't know. Oh, sorry. Ah, il y a des gens qui disent là. C'est pas ça me déconne déjà. Yeah, ça. Oh, Nick, qui dit ça? He is not here today?
No, he's not there now.
He's not there now. Okay, he's out?
Yeah.
Okay. He's going to the office. Monsieur, cela dit, elle pas connaît, elle ne connaît pas. Elle ne sait pas ou bien elle ne connaît pas, c'est she doesn't know. Ou bien he doesn't know. Pas vrai, c'est he doesn't know. Pas vrai? Ok. Oui. Ça dit pour oui. We don't know.
We don't know.
You. Ça dit pour you, monsieur. You don't know. They don't know. Ok. À la forme interrogative, on prend la question qu'on a. On a les questions. Question form. Ça n'a pas. Do I know? Pas vrai? Première. Do I know? Et deuxième, ça l'a pied. Do you know? Does he? Does she? Does it? Qui ça? No. C'est ça, monsieur? Does it? Ok. Et là, ça n'a bien là. Do we? Do we know? Alors, on descend en bas net, oui, pour nous faire tout le monde comprendre nous. Do you know? Et puis ça, dernier c'est do they? Est-ce que nous avons une conversation? Nous pas une conversation qui ça le fait? On allez. Il dit do we know each other? Right? Do we know each other? Or do we know each other? Ça veut dire. Est-ce que nous connaissons une l'autre? Nous ne comment on introduit du monde. Tu fais ça, tu fais qu'on a utilisé souvent, on dit l'on introduit dans l'autre monde. Vrai monsieur. Tu fais ça, on a besoin en pile. Par exemple, on dit amen. Do you know Mr. Danger? Mr. Danger, this is Intel. Intel, this is Mr. Danger. This is Mr. Danger. Et puis celle là, on vient pour dire c'est nice to me. Nice to meet you. Be nice meeting you. Okay? All right. Ok, on va faire petit particulier en classe. Do you know her? I do. Bonne réponse, oui, bonne réponse. I do. Ça dit qu'à ça. Do you know her? I do. Yeah, c'est une réponse professionnelle. Hein? Does she know you? Does she know you? I'm still talking to him. Does she know you? Does she know you? Ah, nous reconnaissons même si tu es à l'aise dans I do. Does she know you? Quand ça me dit là, does she know you? Est-ce qu'elle te connaît? Est-ce qu'elle connaît où? Does she know you? Okay? You know her, yes, but does she know you? No, she doesn't know me. Monsieur? No, she doesn't know me. Ou bien, yes, she knows me. Parce que troisième personne singulier, il faut mettre S à la troisième personne singulier. Il dit, yes, she knows me. Okay? Mr. Onik,
Yes.
do you know her? The girl in the back. Do you know her?
It's the first time. I don't know her.
It's the first time I see her. Allez-moi. It's the first time. It's the first time I see her. C'est la première fois que je l'ai vue. Pas vrai? It's the first time I see her. Can you ask her about her name?
Please.
Ask her.
My name is Tony. What your name is?
My name is Simon Cleonita.
My name is Simon Clemita. What's her name? What's her name? Onik. What's her name?
Simon Clemita.
What's her? Give me a full answer. What's her name?
Her name is Simon Clemita.
Exactly. Her name is Simon Clemita. Clemita, do you know him?
You have a good name. Your mother will give that.
I know, gentlemen. Onik, s'il vous plaît.
It's a good name. It's a good name.
You've got a good name. Yeah, vous avez un bon nom. Okay, Clemita, do you know him? Clemita, do you know him? Do you know him? Do you understand what I say? Do you understand me? Do you understand what I say? Do you understand what I say? Anyway, Timon. Monsieur Damal. Do you understand what I say? Anyway, do you understand? Okay. Kuna moun les blancs parler vite, il dit, do you understand what I'm saying? What I'm saying? What I'm saying? Anyway, what I'm saying? Do you know what I'm saying? Anyway, do you know what I'm saying? Oh, ça qui passe là, moi, l'antenne a peu de rire. Blanc ça pour rire. Anyway, do you know? Do you know? Do you know what I'm saying? What I'm saying? Do you know what I'm saying? What I'm saying. Mais c'est comme si me coulait le fait. What I'm saying. Anyway, do you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, right? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. Okay. All right. Got you? Okay. Clemita, let me see. Do you know him? Ça veut dire, est-ce que vous connaissez lui? Réponds-moi non. Do you know him? Et ça a une importance pratique là, pas vrai? Do you know him? Réponds-moi Creole pour me faire ce qu'a dit. I don't know qui ça veut dire. I don't know him. No, I don't know him. Okay? I don't know him. I don't know him signifie moi pas connais lui. Okay. But Clemita, do you know me? Do you know me? Parlez, non, bon, moi, pense encore. Do you know me? No, I don't know you. Parce que you are c'est deuxième personne. Ça va m'a parler. Vous voyez? Okay? Okay. Does she know? I mean, what's your name? What's your name? Valencia. Valencia Dume. Valencia, do you know Clemita? I don't know. Gontiba ou manqué? Gontiba ou manqué? Elim besoin? I don't know. I don't know her. But do you know her?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Yes, I know.
Yes, I know qui ça? Yes, I know her. Hey, do you know me? No what? No qui ça? No, I don't know you. Okay. My name is Danger. Okay, that's good. Nous comprenons ça, messieurs dames. Nous pas parler trop de ça. Nous allons faire tourner sur même conversation encore. Nous d'accord? Nous disons semaine prochaine nous allons nous plus bagages qui concernent et qui sont capables d'introduire territoire au monde. On allez monsieur. On nous écoute cette conversation. Okay, class. I wanna know you.
I wanna know you.
On est là top moi. C'est nous on est top moi monsieur. I want to know you signifie moi t'a aimé connaître où. I want to know you. I want to know you. Ou bien I wanna know you. I wanna know who you are. Okay, class, let's go. Let's continue. We're gonna keep getting some vocabularies about the conversation. On allait. Well, we are co-workers. Ça veut dire co-worker. Yon co-worker, c'est yon collègue de travail. Répétez ça, me co-worker. Me and Mr. Danger. Allez-moi, repeat after me. Me and Mr. Danger.
Me and Mr. Danger.
We are co-workers.
We are co-workers.
Me and Mr. Wilkin.
Me and Mr. Wilkin.
We are co-workers.
We are co-workers.
Me and Mr. Gillen.
Me and Mr. Jordan.
We are co-workers.
We are co-workers.
Ça veut dire co-worker. We work at the same place. Ça veut dire là, co-workers mean that we work at the same place. In the same place. Okay? Co-workers. Okay? We work at the same place. Co-workers. Ça veut dire collègues de travail. Ou bien en anglais, we work at the same place. Okay, let's go. Co-workers. At a restaurant, we work at. What does that mean to work? Nale, what does that mean to work? Travail. Si je demande à mon comme ça, qui côté le travail, ça m'a dit en anglais, qui côté où travail? Ah.
Where do you work?
Where do you work? Yes. Bon bagay. C'est qui côté au travail, c'est where do you work? Ma dis mon qui côté au travail, ça m'a dit where do you work? Where do you work? Si m'a dit moi travail Tyson, ça m'a dit ça me dit I work at Tyson. C'est pas vrai? I work at Tyson. C'est pas vrai? I work at. Nous toujours mettons at là parce que les ça pas déplacer. OK? Son adresse fixe, depuis c'est adresse fixe, nous mettons at. Ça me dit là? When we talk about like location, we say at. Pas vrai? I work at Tyson. Pas vrai? I work at Wellgrace Project. Okay? I work at. Okay, that's good. And now, let's continue. Okay. What other words you don't understand in this sentence? How about you? Repeat after me. How about you? Let's go. How about you? How about you? We can say how about you, qui signifie et ou même, or you can say and you. And you. And you. Or how about you? Nous en forme pas vrai, Monsieur Dixon. Let's continue. Oh, I am Sam neighbor. Repeat ça, neighbor. Neighbor signifie voisin. On allait non. Comment on dit voisin en anglais? Neighbor. Si on dit lycée voisin moins, en handicapé. Lycée voisin moins, c'est une fille. She is my neighbor. Lycée voisin moins. She is my neighbor. Si son garçon te voit, monsieur mais écrit, on allait. She. Oh, sorry. Alors lundi après là, oui dit monsieur, est-ce que monsieur déjà connaît l'histoire là? Comment on dit lycée voisin moi c'est son fille?
She's my neighbor.
She is my neighbor. My neighbor. She is my neighbor. She's my neighbor. What does that mean? She's my neighbor. Elle est ma voisine. Si son garçon. He is my neighbor. Ça veut dire neighbor. You will live in the same neighborhood. Mon neighborhood signifie quartier. Ça me dit là? Neighborhood. Allez, neighborhood. We live in the same neighborhood. Allez? We live in the same neighborhood. We grew up in the same neighborhood. We grew up. Ça veut dire grew up. We grew up. Bien écrit quoi ça? Ah monsieur, ça explique nous fait monsieur. Ça explique nous fait. Explique nous fait. Nous fait technologie à battement. Yeah, Nathan. Nous fait connecter. Oh gars, tu mon yo désordre. Monsieur ça dit moi ça oui bien écrit ça va c'est moi. Okay. What does that mean to grow up? To grow up, grow up signifie grandir. Grow up. Allez, grow up. Okay. Okay, let's go. I grew up. Oh my goodness. What is that? What? There's a problem here now. Ça passe, monsieur. Moi, let me switch. Okay. All right. Where's the... All right. Good. Ok, on allait. On va aller effacer ça parce que je ne vais pas bien écrire. On va aller effacer pour nous écrire dans l'autre genre. Pour nous paraître plus bien. On allait. Oui. On allait. On a dit avec. Nous grandissons dans le même quartier. Oui. We grew up in the same neighborhood. Nous grandissons dans le même quartier. Comment dit ça, demoiselle? Kelmita, mon ami, comment dit nous grandissons dans le même quartier? And in the same, pas sim, same. Le mot c'est et, same. Okay, all right. We grew up in the same neighborhood. We grew up in the same neighborhood. Yes. Nous grandis ou bien nous t'es grandi dans le même quartier. On regarde pour nous. Le verbe c'est le verbe to grow up. Le verbe c'est le verbe to grow up. Past tense là bas moi grew up. Ça c'est past tense là. OK? Par exemple, ça c'est growing up. Je ne peux pas parler de lui, on prend deux ça. On prend deux temps ça. On prend deux présent et passé. En attendant. Qui m'a dit au monde qui côté grandi? Qui j'en dit au monde qui côté ou grandi? M'attendez-nous parce que la question est pour nous. Where, qui côté t'es grandi? Bon, bah mettez tes plutôt. Qui côté t'es grandi?
Where do you? No, was. Where do you was? Where was?
Qui côté où t'es grandi? Madame Samuel, comment qu'a dit que t'es un monde? Qui côté t'es grandi?
Oui, where was?
Souti where do you grow up signifie que tu ou grandi, mais souti que quand tu grandi, qu'on n'a pas 500 d'abord moi, where did you grow up? Where did you grow up?
I say that.
You say that? Where did you grow up? Yes, where did you grow up? All right, that's good. Okay. Si m'a dit moi grandi en Haïti, m'a dit I grew up in Haiti. Nous d'accord? I grew up in Haiti. I grew up in Haiti. Pas vrai? Moi t'ai grandi en Haïti. OK? I grew up. Si m'a dit qui côté t'ai grandi, ça m'a dit where did you grow up? Anyway, where did you grow up? Where did you grow up? Where did you grow up? Where did you? Allez, dis ça me dit. Where did you? Where did you grow up? Yeah, where did you grow up? Allez, where did you grow up? Kuna mati mwete grandi mati I grew up. Anyway, I grew up. I grew up in Haiti. I grew up in Haiti. I grew up in Haiti. Okay? I grew up in Haiti. Okay. Nous avons une question sur ça, non fort. To grow up, passer sur la bonne grew up. D'accord? Et puis passer comme ça, pas le bon boire, non. D'accord? Bon, nous prenons ça. Nous prenons deux ça. Présent et passé. OK? Quelle autre question nous avons sur ça? On allez. Oh, I am Sam, neighbor. I live next door. Ça veut dire next door. Next door. C'est la porte à côté. Elle dit, moi, je vis sous côté, bon, tout pour là. I live next door. Allez, moi, non. I live next door. C'est comme si j'habite à la porte à côté. Ma vie, tout près là. Tout près là. Tout près là. Next door. Elle dit, tout collé à côté. C'est pas vrai? Next door. I live next door. Dis ça me dit pour le caractère dans tête. I live next door. Next door. J'habite à la porte à côté, c'est quand tu vas vivre tout près là. Next door. Pas oublier mot ça non allez moi. Next door. Qu'on a fait un seul mot avec. I live next door. I live next door. Ma vivre tout pour là amen. À la n'importe tout pour là. À la porte à côté. OK. I see. Ça veut dire see. See. Voir. I see. Je vois. Ah, moi ça. I see. I see. Okay. Let's continue. It's a nice neighborhood. Ça veut dire c'est un nice neighborhood. Un joli quartier. Vous avez un joli quartier, un nice neighborhood. Ok? C'est un joli quartier, c'est un bel quartier, une belle zone, un bel quartier. D'accord? Neighborhood. Let's continue.
Quartier tel comme Guadeloupe.
When did you move here? Ça veut dire when did you move here? Parlez avec moi. Ça veut dire when. Faut nous apprendre, oui. Timo sa yo, faut nous toujours gagner yo. When signifie quand, c'est qui l'est. When did you move here? Qui l'a venu? Qui l'a ou venu habiter là? Allez moi. When did you move here?
When did you move here?
Dis ça encore.
When did you move here?
When did you move here?
When did you move here?
I moved here
I moved here.
January 15. Since I moved here January 15th. Something là. I moved here January 15th. Moi vin là 15 février. Since I live here 15 janvier, sorry. I live here February 14th. I moved here February 14th. Moi vin là 14 février. I moved here June 6th. I moved here June 6th. Moi vin là 6 juin. D'accord? I moved here December 25th. 25th. 25 décembre. 25th. Le petit December 25th. Ça veut dire 25 décembre. I moved here November 23rd. 23rd. 23 novembre. Est-ce que vous comprenez? I move here. Okay, all right. Okay. Anali, let's continue. Years ago. What does that mean, years ago? Years. What does that mean, years? Année. Years ago. C'est-à-dire plusieurs années passées. Years ago. C'est-à-dire plusieurs années passées. Years ago. I moved here years ago. Okay, years ago. Allez, years ago. Years ago, c'est plusieurs années passées. Let's continue. It's changed a lot. What does that mean, a lot? A lot. A lot. Mot ça signifie beaucoup. A lot. A lot. A lot. I moved here a lot. Okay? A lot. It changed a lot. It's changed a lot. What does that mean change? Changer. Change. Comment tu changes en anglais? Change. It's changed a lot. C'est-à-dire il changé. Hein? En pile. Let's continue. A lot. Okay. But in a good way. What does that mean in a good way? In a good way. Way signifie chemin, signifie façon tout. I like that way. I like the way you do it. Moi mes enfants là. I like that way. My way, your way. This way. Okay? See, we go this way. See, nous allons dans route ça. Let's go this way. Let's go this way or go that way. Ça veut route, way là signifie chemin ou bien route. Mais qu'on a dit, I like this. I like your. I like this way. Okay, you do it this way. Ou fait façon ça. You can do it this way. You can do it this way or that way. Ou can faire façon ça ou bien façon ça. Ok, signifie façon tout. Ok, après de route ou bien chemin, mais ça signifie façon. Parfait. All right, let's continue. All right. A lot signifie beaucoup. Me dit ça. Beaucoup. C'est-à-dire, but in a good way signifie d'une bonne façon, non bonne façon. Okay? Non bonne façon. It changes a lot, but in a good way. Ça change beaucoup, mais d'une bonne façon, pour une bonne raison. Well, nice to meet you. I'm going to get another drink. What do I mean to get? What is my drink? What does that mean, drink? Boisson, drink. C'est ma petite boisson préférée. Boisson préférée. My favorite drink. My favorite drink. Si me dit, par exemple, tu as dit, qui boisson préférée? What is your favorite drink, Mr.
My drink preferred is
Favorite.
is Grenadier.
Grenadier, c'est passion fruit. Passion fruit. Okay, my favorite drink is passion fruit juice, like Grenadier. Passion fruit. You like passion fruit?
Yes.
What's your favorite drink?
The same of him.
The same? What's your favorite?
I don't know the same. Yeah, it's just same.
What's your favorite drink? What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink? Coca.
Coca-Cola. Yes, Coca. You like Coke, right? I like Coke too. Yeah. What's your favorite drink? Coca-Cola. Coke. We say Coke. Coke. Okay? We say Coke. Coke. Like that. Okay, Coke. I like Coke. What's your favorite drink, Mr. Your favorite drink is Coke? You like Coke? Okay. All right. Let's continue, class. Let's continue. All right. Question number 1. Check your understanding. Others team know Sam. Question. Others team know Sam. Others team know Sam. How does he know Sam? Let's come back to the conversation. How does he know? He knows Sam. How does he know him? You are going to look at the conversation, give me the answer. How does Tim know? How does Tim know Sam? How does he know him? How does he know him? Look at the conversation, tell me.
They are co-workers.
They are co-workers. They are co-workers. We were co-workers, right? They are co-workers. Co-worker signifie qui ça? What does that mean, co-workers? Collector, travail? Okay, now question number 2. Others Zeke know Sam. Others Zeke know Sam. How? Oh my goodness. It's like
I'm a little early.
I take 12 minutes more.
What's that?
Do I take 12 more minutes on you?
Yeah, just take your time. I still got to get set up. It's only 10:15, so.
Oh, 10:50. Okay.
Yeah, so we said we'd start ours at 10:30 with the second round.
The second round is 10:30.
Yeah,
Oh, okay. I was thinking I'm taking too much time on you. Okay.
If I arrive at 10:30, I'm late.
That's true. Class, others Zeke know Sam.
They work at the same place.
They work.
At the restaurant.
Okay.
Oui.
Okay. They are named. The second question. They are co-workers, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's the first question. I mean, they are. That's the second question, right? They are neighbors, and then they are co-workers. So number 3. How does Zeke finish the conversation? How does he finish it?
Going to take another drink.
He says he going to take another drink. Let's listen to the conversation like right now. Wow, what happened? Oops. There's a little issues now. Okay. Let's listen to the conversation. Okay. Ooh. Okay.
Hi, I don't think I know you. My name is Penny.
Nice to meet you. My name is Zeke.
So, how do you know Sam?
Well, we were co-workers at a restaurant we worked at. How about you?
Oh, I'm Sam's neighbor. I live next door.
I see. It's a nice neighborhood. When did you move here?
Years ago, it's changed a lot, but in a good way.
Well, nice to meet you. I'm going to get another drink.
Okay. Can I play it again?
Yes.
It's okay?
Yes.
You good?
Okay.
Play it again or you good? Play it
Hi,
again.
I don't think I know you. My name is Tim.
Nice to meet you. My name is Zeke.
So, how do you know Sam?
Well, we were co-workers at a restaurant we worked at. How about you?
Oh, I'm Sam's neighbor.
I see. It's a nice neighborhood. When did you move here?
Years ago, it's changed a lot, but in a good way.
Well, nice to meet you. I'm going to get another drink.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Yeah. So can you go in this in your paper and to answer some question for me, please? The first one say, write the greeting words and phrases from exercise A. The greeting words and the phrases from exercise A. Write the greeting words. You know what greeting words mean?
Yes.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm gonna get you one more after the class. Write. You know white? White.
Yes.
I'm waiting for you. Write the greeting words for me, please. Write it down. Write it down. Écris. Write it down. Use your paper and write the greeting words for me, please, in your paper. Write, Mr. Zamo, write the greeting words in your paper for me, please. The greeting words. Greeting words. And when you finish, let me know. Do they go to get the food on Thursday at that time? I'm still working. I don't know if they're still giving them the privilege to do that. I'm gonna talk to. Yes, I'm waiting for you. When you finish, let me know. When you finish, let me know. Write it down. Write it down. Si on finit là pour la manger le tout après parce que les gens sont oubliés. Si on finit, écrire et puis après ça on a continué. Si on n'a pas manger le tout après, oubliez ça. Oubliez ça. Si on finit tout après manger, oubliez ça. Oubliez ça, I'm sorry. I forget that. Yeah, parce que famille. C'est fini, on va mettre tout à fait des standards. Vous finissez, monsieur. Monsieur Bagnon qui finit. Vous n'avez pas manger tout? Vous n'avez pas manger tout?
Non.
Vous n'avez pas manger tout?
Non.
Ok. Et ce film, vous n'avez pas manger? Ok. Vous n'avez pas manger? Ok.
Yes, exactly.
By the way, you can connect your computer whenever you're ready. I sent them for the food.